Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Glendale, Scottsdale, Tempe, Avondale, Goodyear, Paradise Valley, Tolleson, Levine, Cashin, Poplico Park, PS2P Park, South Phoenix, Arizona State Fairgrounds, and South Mountain Park. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 130 and 160. Arizona Interstate 17 between mile markers 195 and 207. Arizona Route 51 between mile markers 1 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.